So I came out here to the garden just to kind of walk through after the rainstorm we had earlier, just to check it out. And like there is this noise. Let me see if I can get close enough to where you can hear it. I don't have a clue what the heck it is. But hold on. Like listen, listen. Like aside from the dogs barking in the background, do y'all hear that weird like it's not a clicking noise, but it's like it's repetitive, but it's quiet. Do you hear it? Am I crazy? What is that? If you have any idea, just let me know. It's freaking me out.